Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Microsoft Store within your PC. And if you haven't logged into your Microsoft account already, you will need to use your account credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. From here, you can simply click on the search box at the top section and type in Asphalt Legends Unite and start your search. Once you find the game, go ahead and click on it. And this will now take you into the game page. Just click on the Get button in order to start your download. And you can now click on the Download button once again if any additional files are required in order to install the game. Now, you will need to wait for a while, depending on the size of the game, as well as your internet connection. Once the download has been completed and the game is ready to play, you will see the Open or Play button within the Asphalt Legends game page. And that means that you can now search for the game using Windows Search and directly open it in order to start enjoying. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.